In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful guide on how to hide the taskbar here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So with that, let's get started. So first things first, you need to proceed at the button search bar and type for settings. So once a best match would appear, please click on open to continue. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. So from here, please navigate to the left pane of that where you can see an option called personalization, which is next to network and internet. And under the personalization, you need to scroll down and locate for taskbar, which contains the taskbar behaviors, the items, and the icons as well. So from here, you need to scroll down on the list and locate with taskbar behaviors, which you can see the taskbar alignment, the badging, the automatically hide, and multiple displays. And aligning to it, you can see there a down arrow. Okay, click on it so that you would be able to show up other options, which are this. So from here, in order to hide the taskbar, all you need to do is you need to check this one, which is automatically hide the taskbar. The moment you do it, you would be able to hide the taskbar. So when you close the window, that's it. You have successfully hide it. Okay, and if you would like to unhide it again, all you need to do is you need to press Windows key and I key together. Okay. So here, just navigate to the personalization again. So click on it. And from here, you need to scroll down and locate with taskbar. So click on this down arrow again, enter the taskbar behaviors and uncheck this one. And there you can unhide the taskbar. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.